morning mga misis kong matatatag. Eme! Welcome back to my channel. So it's the second day. Well, technically hindi to second day, pero second day to sa vlog. Ano ba yan? I-explain ko pa ba yan? Alam nyo na yan. Right now, papunta tayo ng Pattaya, so let's go! Let's go na mga misis kong matatatag. Pattaya! Magbi-BTS tayo papuntang Ekamay bus station. So, andito kami sa may Sapan Taksin Station. Etong location nitong Holiday Inn Express. So, that's a dark green line. Magta-transfer kami mamaya sa may apple green or yellow-green na line kasi andoon ang Ekamay Station. Ayan. Madami tayong madadaanan na ganito. Pagkain, prutas, mga kung anong alay sa temple. Mga personal consumption, di ba? It's a bit of walk papunta sa station pero dito na tayo. It's like 3 minutes pag mabilis ka. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Yan, Sapan Taksin. Akit na tayo, let's go. Ayan, so andito tayo. Pupunta tayo ng Siam. Doon tayo magsiswitch. Tapos from dark green to yellow green, punta tayo ng E7 Ekamay. Dito na tayo sa may Ekamay train station, BTS. Dito na rin ang Ekamay bus station. Kasi nga, magkapangalan naman sila. So malamang. Pababa na tayo. Let's go.
Automatic gate.
Dito kayo sa may exit 2, bababa. Dahil dito na ang bus station. Pagbaba ng bus station, turn right. Makikita nyo dito yung yan, yung Gateway Mall, turn right. Dito lang. Yan, dire-diretso lang yan. Ayan, pag nakita nyo yung sign na yan, diretso pa rin. Makikita nyo na to. Tapos dyan na Ekamay Station. Ayan na siya. Kita nyo ba yan? Papasok tayo dyan. Pumasok muna kami dito sa 7-Eleven before kami tumawid papunta dun sa may Ekamay bus station. Tapos pro tip, sa lahat ng 7-Eleven, bilhin nyo to. Ayan, this one. O, screenshot na. This is for digestion. This is for gut health. This is will supplement your supposedly daily vegetable intake. O, ayan, ayan. Screenshot na. Parating ubos to sa 7-Eleven. Kaya, pag nakakita kayo, bumili na kayo. At least 2 or 4. Ganun. Ayan, pasok na tayo dito sa may Ekamay bus station. Bili na tayo ng bus ticket. Papuntang Pattaya. Let's go. Ang bus ticket pala dito, it's 131 baht. Ito siya. Tapos ito yung bus na bibilan nyo. Pagpasok nyo, ito kaagad. Ayan. Umaalis to every 30 minutes. Ang next trip is 11:30. Again, that's 130. Tapos yan, na bus, dediretso na yan sa Ekamay bus station din sa may Pattaya. Which is very convenient kasi yung van. Kasi pag yung bus yung tinake mo at dumating ka dun sa may bus station mismo, madami nang nag-aantay dun na Songthaew or mga public transport pwedeng papunta ng hotel and everything. Ayun. So, ayan, bilhin na tayo at baka maubusan pa tayo ng upuan. Nakajupo na kami. Ayan, dito kami sa seat number 1 and 2. Si Leo sa number 4. Si Kring and Marge sa number 29 and 30. So, ayan. I'll see you in Pattaya. Hi guys! Andito na tayo! Welcome to Intercontinental Hotel here in Pattaya. Ito siya. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo. No, basta dun yung entrance. Ayan, oh. Tapos, ito yung entrance niya sa hotel proper. Pak! Oh. Gandara! Receiving area pa lang to. Lalabanan mo ba? Eme! Ayan. Upo muna tayo dahil we have to check in. So, eto siya. This is our view. So, ayun, mag-stay tayo dito for 2 nights. And we're just gonna stay here to lounge, to relax, to feel and experience the good life. So, let's do it. Ito na ang complimentary drink. This is what margarita with honey. With lychee and honey, non-alcoholic. Cheers, guys! Yay! Welcome to the good life. Maatim. Pero masarap. So, inaantay lang namin na mag-check-in kami. Pakita ko sa inyong room namin mamaya. Laban. Ayan na guys, we're secured. Andito na nga. Let's do it. Are you guys ready? Let's go! So, ayun na nga. We are checked in here at Intercontinental Pattaya Resorts. And, ayun, nakuha na namin yung room namin. Sila is, sila Leo and Kring and Marge is nakuha nila is Ocean View. Sa amin is Villa. Hi! So, ayun na nga. We are being driven to our rooms. Taray! By a golf cart. Ano naman na masasabi mo, Leomer? Kamusta ka? So far, so good. So far, so great. Let's go!
Siya nga po.
Ang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ang mag-video.
Breakfast is here.
Oh, breakfast is there. Nice. Tapos eto siya, guys. Nakikita nyo ba lahat yan? Oh my gosh. Wow. Pool. Nice. Yung sa amin is premium room. Sorry. Okay. Pero ayun. Ito na tayo, guys. So, ang binigay nilang room sa amin is garden view, pero premium room. Got it. Popcorn crab. Thank you so much. So, eto na nga ang aming room. Oh! Walang eme, guys. Kayo din ang first look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Eto na yun. Official room tour na to. Oh my God. Uy, boom, panis. Shocks and high ceiling, Pao. Oh my gosh. Well, this is Intercontinental after all. So again, we have 2 queen beds, garden view. Let me see the view. Ito ang working table. Alam niyo na yan. Ito ang TV. Meron silang welcome food or, oh my gosh, desserts and whatnot. Uy, nakita mo na ba itong nook mo, Leomer? Oh. Eto lang naman yung ano namin, guys. Ang aming patio. Oh my gosh. So, ayun, sitting area. Shucks! 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 Ang ganda. Walang eme. I feel so
Cool and
special.
down.
Do you feel special?
I do.
Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Let me remove my bag. Put down my bag. Wait lang. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Pakita ko na sa inyo.
Cool and down.
So this is the garden view. My God. May pool dito. Ito yung aming villa. Wow. Pool is this way. Meron kaming private na walkway going to the pool. Di naman private pero everyone na nandyan is eto yung walkway namin straight to the pool area. Oh my God. Eto yung pool area. Not to sound bougie, but yeah, this is bougie. Here you go. Oh my gosh. What can you say, guys? What can you say? Hindi kami Nepo baby, ha? Wala sa amin ng Nepo babies. Lahat to pinaghirapan, pinagtrabahuan, pinag-ipunan. Grabe. Wow. That's all I can say. So, ayun, ang gagawin namin, mag-settle lang kami sandali, prepare, tapos punta na kami ng club lounge para mag-afternoon tea dahil gutom na rin kami. So, let's do this. Let's go. Welcome to Intercontinental Pattaya Resort. I am genuinely shocked. Meron kami na-discover. Buksan mo, Limer. O, di ba? Normal, 'di ba? Kita mo may ano diyan, may mga bathrobe, may extra pillow, ironing board. This one takes the cake. Guys, nakikita nyo ba 'yan? Alam nila. Kay Leo Marto, size 12 ako. Sa tingin mo, kailan nila yun Kailan nila yan?
Or baka hindi kaya baka standard naman. Kasi one is smaller. Kasi
Hindi.
it's a man and a woman. Right? Pero yeah.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, wala akong masasabi pero just thank you Lord. Yun na lang.
At least you have your extra pillow.
We don't need an extra pillow. They have 4 per bed. Look at this. Ang kanilang welcome food. My gosh, charcuterie. May ibang cheese. Just cool. Meron pa dito. Melon balls. Oh my gosh. They're so extra. But their extra is really giving. Good morning. Tara, breakfast na tayo. Yan, nakit na tayo sa breakfast hall. 3 pool pala to. Ano na yung mga name ng pool? Wait lang.
Tranquility.
Serenity, Tranquility, and Splash. Eto, feeling ko, Tranquility. O kasi ang daming ang daming sitting area na may plants. Anyway, kahapon nag-pool din kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-update dahil after nun, or nung pagkarating namin, syempre settle down, baba ng bag, tapos syempre gutom na rin ang mga akla, dumiretso ng club lounge, kumain. Kasi nga tamang-tama tea time. After naman nun, swimming agad. Alam nyo na, enjoy. Syempre 2 nights lang tayo dito, no? Might as well make the most out of it. Ngayon, pero hindi namin alam kung saan kami umaakyat. Nahanap namin yung breakfast hall. Sobrang laki ng resort na to. As in, pwede kayong magkawalaan. Breakfast hall. Check natin kung anong mga meron. Oh, okay. Good morning. Meron silang soup area. Ang dami. Chicharon. Fried stuff. Steamed stuff. Of course, the classic Asian food. Morning.
Thank you very much for your time. Would you like to sit outside or inside? Oh, your friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Kapong krap.
Enjoy breakfast.
This is pandan custard, Thai custard. Oh, okay. So this is the dessert area. Pasok na tayo doon mismo sa breakfast hall. O, diba? Bonggahan. Ayan. Ayan, inaantay na kami ng mga friends namin. Andito na sila. Hello!
Would you like coffee or tea?
Yes, please. Latte. Reshi? So, let's look at what they're offering as breakfast. Okay. Meron sila ditong churros station and pancake station. There you go. Ito yung mga pwedeng ilagay sa taas. Yan, yung mga yan. Yan. We also have the pastry station. So, yung mga iba-ibang klaseng bread and pastry. Wow. Hand rolls, danishes, lahat ng pastry, and next to it is the juice bar. Check naman natin kung ano mga pwedeng malalang kainin. This is the, omelette station and egg station. Nung kinuha, omelette. Okay, so meron dito na yon yung mga rice, ulam, crab, stir-fried pork with holy basil, which is pad krapao. Ayan, so on and so forth. Of course, meron ding salad bar. There you go. And yung mga fresh cold cuts and mga fruits. Of course, hindi mawawala ang bacon. So ayun, kuha na tayo ng pagkain natin. And I'll meet you in the table. Let's go. Ito yung kinuha ko. Meron pancit, may salmon, pork, chicken sausage, bacon, and lettuce for my greens.
Okay, yun yung perfect.
Try na natin. Chicken sausage.
Pang-apat meron. Kasi yun yung tinanay ko.
Sarap. Salmon. Salmon.
Ako yung una.
Noodles. Kain lang kami. Samahan nyo kami guys. May pupuntahan tayo ngayon. Let's go. Punta tayo sa Sanctuary of Truth. Ayan guys, nag-book na tayo ng Bolt. Good for 6. White Toyota Fortuner. And ang babayaran natin is 190. Perfect. Antayin na lang natin yung Bolt rider. Hi! Good afternoon! Still morning. 12 na ba? 12 na. Good afternoon! So, papunta tayo ngayon sa Sanctuary of Truth. Let's go. Pwede na yan! Let's go! Nag-book na ako ng Bolt. 6-seater. Naantay na lang natin siya dito sa entrance ng Intercontinental. Ayan na siya. Let's go. We are here. Pasok na tayo, guys. Let's go. Ang init ngayon, grabe. Tara. Here we go. Dito tayo. Yan. Pak. Andito na rin tayo before, pero ang kaibahan lang, HD na ngayon. Charas. Eto na naman yung mga kabayo na ayaw magpahawak. Yee. Hi, horse. Sorry, knap. My gosh. Ang pinaka-perfect ngayon, hindi ganun kainit compared na last time na andito tayo, diba? Perfect lang ang weather today. Sana ganito lang. Sana hindi din umuran. Umuran? Pangasinense. Sana hindi din umulan. Ayan, hinahabol natin yung tour. Yung oras ng tour. Kasi again, this is a walking tour. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, ano yan? Baka ba yun?
Hindi, yan na yun.
You need cover. Okay, it's okay. You need cover. Yeah, must
Yeah.
be in the line. Just go down. Just lean down. You have to follow.
Okay, thank you. So yun, dahil naka-shorts, dapat nilang kumuha ng pantakip. Pero ibabalik din ba?
Oo.
Yung deposit? Okay, relax.
Pag dress 300.
Oo.
Malo.
Pag dress 300, yung kay Kring, kay Malong.
And also this one in right?
Yes. Okay. Antayin lang natin si Balagon. Uy, perfect. Ang laki electric fan, no? Laban. Perfect. Meron siyang makeshift na pants. Magkano to?
200.
200, perfect. Okay, so okay.
din.
Oo. Parang ayun na nga. So pag naka-shorts, kailangan lang mag-deposit ng 200 or 300 para mabigyan ng pants or mabigyan ng dress or mabigyan ng malong. Pero ibabalik din naman yung pera sa inyo. Kasi ibabalik nyo din yung mga pinasuot sa inyo. Let's go. So eto na nga, mukha na naman kaming mga engineers or mga bagong empleyado ng semento sa Pilipinas. Titingin kami sa site.
Anong gawin natin? Flood control project natin yan.
Flood control. Kasi 10 piso na lang yung natira sa
Parang baha
13 trillion na pera.
Parang baha dyan.
Para kami mga engineer. Kamusta engineer Marinas?
Naibulsa ko na.
Huy! Yan yung mga wood carvings dito. So yung tour, pinapakita niya kung ano mga naka-carve na images na makikita sa loob ng temple. Or sorry, museum. So yan sila. Yan, yung mga yan. Okay, itong mga malalaking ito. Sorry. Yan sila. Yan. Yan yung mga naka-carve. Diba? Grabe yung details. Diba? Madami din yung itong group tour na napuntahan namin. Pero all you have to do is buy your tickets sa Klook at least 1 hour before nyo balak punta dito para nasa system na nila. Pagpunta doon, kukunin yung ticket, i-claim, tapos ilalagay kayo sa mga time slot ng group. Parang katulad nito. Dito yung carving station nila. Yan na. Yung buong yan. Ito yung kung paano nila inumpisahan nung unang-una pa lang. Ganyan yun. At naging ganito. Yan na siya. Grabe, no? Oh my God. Yan yung pinaka nasa taas. Oh, kita niyo ba yung detalye niyan? Bawat corner. Grabe. Ayan na nga, moving forward. Ito na yung mga carvings nila na that serves as a lock or a nail. Because again, there's none of those that exist when building this. So again, walang nail, walang glue, walang kahit hairpin or anything that was used to hold this together. It's just simple, not simple, pero intricate carpentry rather. Ayan sila, oh, grabe. Ayan. Taas niya. Laki ng buong ito, 'di ba? Power, 'di ba? Pasok na tayo. Let's go! Ayan, andito na yung mga engineers, mga bagong empleyado ng Holcim. Welcome to the company. Getching tayo ng umbrella dahil ate, ayaw naman nating matusta for today's video. Oh, pagpilian na. Perpuk. Ayan na. Grabe, oh. Intense ang carving ng mga person. Pak. Grabe ang detalye. Oh. Ay, powerful. Tas ang ganda dito, no? Yan sila, oh. Grabe. These are, deities, gods, demigods, and other creatures. Grabe. Ganda. Sobra.
Sabihin mo, best, walang ginamit na pa.
Oo. Walang ginamit na kahit na para dumikit tong mga to. It's just pure mathematics and prayers. Ibang klase din ng nandito sa likod. Talagang grabe din. Mas grabe ata.
May gustong tumalong dun, oh. Uy.
Grabe ang mga nakaukit. Mas bongga, mas intricate, mas mahirap, mas espesyal. Ayun, oh. Pero may in a different light, pag yan gumalaw, takbo. Chares. Ayan si Erawan, no? Si Erawan ba yan? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yan siya, oh. Sinasakyan siya ng God. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko kasi si Erawan, din eh. God din siya. Ayan, oh, yung elepante na maraming ulo. Diba? Pero again, correct me if I'm wrong. Baka mali ako. Malamang sa malamang mali ako. Sorry. Let's go. Ayun sila, guys. Grabe yung naman. Grabe yung, ayun, oh, kung gaano ka-intricate niya. Diyos ko, oh my gosh, ang ganda. Literally a work of art. Pasok na tayo sa loob, guys. Let's do this. Ooh. Grabe.
7 truths of life. So here is the first
Kahit
truth
na yun yung
that is about
seven
human
truths.
equality. So no matter where we come from, which religion we believe in, we are all the same as we are combined with this element inside our body. This is earth element. Inside our body represents the solid part like bone, skin, organs, teeth. So next, water element, which represents the liquid like fluid like blood, sweat, urine. And next, this is wind element, represents the gas inside our body, and also the breathing in, breathing out. And this is fire element, represents body temperature, our emotion, feeling, and also energy as well. So there is
So,
what
kung
is
pagpipiliin ka ng
combined
energy mo,
inside our
ano sa'yo?
body. That's why what we have inside
Nose.
is the same for
Ikaw pa?
everyone. So it's
Air ka,
all
kasi
equal. Represents
best in
human
utot.
equality as well. So after understanding
Ito ang grabe. Shoot.
Okay,
Oh.
over here, please come forward.
My
Please don't
gosh,
stay down
pati sa
here. They are
ceiling.
working above. Okay, here we have the installation work going on. That's why we need to wear the helmets. Come forward, please. This way. Alright, over
Ganito
here,
lang siya,
please
tapos
come forward.
babalutin.
Alright, this way.
Grabe.
So there are 170 column like this one inside and outside the building that support the whole building. Okay, this side not finished yet. The other side on the left side is already covered with the decoration. So now let's move forward to the second truth this way.
Ito yun.
Alright, kindly proceed inside over here. Okay, let's stay here. Here you will feel good. Here, there. Here, both sides, a little fan here. Okay. Alright, for our crew, this way. Thank you. This way over here. Alright, here we go. This way. Okay. Look up here. The sculpture above represents men and women that symbolize our parents, the beginning of our life. And the ceiling above refers to the universe. So we are living in the universe. Very beautiful sculpture here. And on our right side, over there, this is Mother Earth, represents the food and also habitat on the earth. The sun here, the sun gives the daylight energy. On the left side, the sculpture represents the moon. The moon causes high tide and low tide in the ocean. So second rule is about how do we survive. Okay, we need the nature for our living, of course. And also down here is this.
Grabe yun. Tama.
So which means the empowerment.
Oh my gosh, just marvel at the carving, the woodwork, the intricate designs. Oh my gosh.
Great. So who has improved the living standard for the country, and also he made the thousands of development for including rural development projects in the countryside and public health, education, many other sectors. So these are the great example of the people who left good impact in this world. Here, this one,
Hi,
sculpture here.
Ganesh. What's
Respect for
up? I
those
miss
who
you.
deserve it, not to those who demand it. Respect each
Ano
other.
sinasabi mo?
Coexist in peace,
Parang
right? It
nangungusap
reflects
yung
the
mukha niya.
idea of
Sino?
respect.
Ito.
So this one, this sculpture here, surround ourselves
Yan?
with people who
Yan.
empower
Yan?
us to become a better person.
Oo nga.
So it presents like
Pero aminin nyo, di ba? In grande, todo, bonggang-bongga. Di ba? O, pak!
For our communications.
After nung tour, may bibigay silang pamphlet sa inyo.
For building this building.
Message lang naman.
Amazing.
Pero,
It's 7
pamay-pay.
Pero pwedeng pamay-pay. Chares.
Please write down inside your comment.
Yeah, the founders
You can pick up
conceptual
inside.
framework.
Love to hear from you. Your
Grabe, no?
thoughts, okay? You are-
Perfect.
Alright, so here, this message, my name is-
Kamusta naman yung tour? Na-enjoy mo ba?
Na-enjoy ko.
Sobra.
Overwhelming society. Everything about society. Wow!
Ikaw?
I learned. Why is that too close? Hindi. Meron tayong 7 truths of the society. And I am for number 7, wherein everything comes from the family. The family is the root of everything. Your attitude, the way the upbringing and everything. And that's all. Thank you. My name is Kring.
ขอบคุณครับ How about you? Finish it.
Yeah.
What you learn
The 7 truths
of
of life.
walang natutunan. Ikaw ba? Anong natutunan mo? Yun, dyan natatapos yung punta natin dito sa may The Sanctuary of Truth. Next location, let's go!